All right, so our key takeaway from November's MIIEN Consultancy's Pinterest Alpha Reports. What is our key takeaway? There's been a huge shift based on the weather. So I'm going to say the key takeaway is shifting from wedding wear to, well, not wedding wear, because that's not no such thing. I'm just speaking off the top of my head, but a shift from occasion wear, which is the weddings, to winter wear ideas. So yeah, that is the key takeaway. I can't say too much because it was like 50-50, and I did not want, you know what? I wanted to do a bonus. We're going to do a bonus. This was another look that was kind of teetering the fence, but it also plays onto that black jacket that was popular, and also the color combination that I did. But this is the color that I did with the color palette, but this is something that was catching up when it comes to the color outfit. And I wanted to add this as a bonus because the key takeaway, as I said, things are shifting as the weather has drastically dropped and people are trying to find ideas, and my job as a stylist is definitely help with the wardrobe decision. And talking to you guys on the internet, there's just so many different factors when it comes to styling people. I'm not talking to you face to face or able to just take in the important factors of why you're dressing the way you're dressing or where you're going and your body shape and all that stuff. But I think this is a great key indicator to see what's is trending, and also just giving you some tidbits as to why it's working based off of my audience. If this is not catering to you, then I mean, oh well. But this is a bonus I wanted to give. This was number 6. That was definitely trending when it comes, well, it's not trending, but it was definitely popular when it comes to analytics. Let's dive into the analytics a little bit. So here's the analytics when it came to this jacket. It definitely was creeping up there, but it was very reminiscent of the black jackets that I showed earlier, but this is more of the shorter version when it came to some outfits within the month of November.